Students, how are you? Today's our topic is Microsoft Excel. It is in another program from Microsoft Office. It is a spreadsheet program which consists worksheet and it in the form of row and column which used to insert information and data. So first you click on start button, click on all program and you find your Microsoft Office and you click on Microsoft Excel and it open your Microsoft Excel sheet. So the basic element as well as the same as you see in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, MS Access. It is top bar is title bar. This is a quick access toolbar. This is a menu tab. This is a ribbons. This is address bar. Yeah, cell address. This is a formula bar, and these are work area. You can call worksheet. These are columns. These are rows, and this is the intersect of row and column is create a cell. And this is a status bar. These are sheets which are open in when you open this Microsoft Excel, and default these are three sheets open at a time. A scroll bar, horizontal and vertical, is a view, the zooms area, and okay, and this known as sheet tabs. Uh, the worksheet in a consist different type many numbers of row and columns, and at a one sheet there are 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns, and it's totally it uh, we count this is from A to XFD and 1 to 1,48,576 row and column we count from A to Z. So totally we can see from these are the total number of row and column in your one worksheet. So you can enter a large amount of data. Okay, this is your first option. Now some other option like formula bar and name box or address bar is just below the menu bar. Formula bar display the formulas which is applied in your worksheet, and name address is display the range of cell like that. If you click A1, if you click C1, if you click there, then D8 like this. So this is the another function in this program. And group of worksheet is called workbook, or the title when display first is a book one. When you uh, save your file with name, then it display the file name like that. Save. So you can type your file name and like save this, change the file name. Sheet tab, these are the sheet tabs which is display in the bottom of the screen, and this sheet 1, you want to work in other sheet, then click on sheet 2. If you want to work in other sheet, click sheet 3. If you want to add more sheet, then you click on here and add your sheets. Okay. Okay. These are known as cells. Cells cells are at the intersection of row and column. It is cell, and cell is the smallest unit of the worksheet. It is used to store data. You can type in the cell by clicking double and type your text. Or each cell has an address. This is known as a cell address. Like we click on here, then is a cell E number 2, so E2, and when you work any cell, it highlighted by yellow color like that. Okay, and active cell, active cell, this is active cell because of it is highlighted because you are working on it, and currently it's selected. So this is a active cell. Range of cell, the next part is range of cell. Range of cell, when you click on your any cell, uh, you hold your left mouse click and select by diagonally, and it is blocks are selected, and this is called the range of cells, and this is a range of cells, and it is look like rectangular or square shapes. Okay, and which type of text you can enter in your cell? You can type text, number, or formula. Okay, mathematical operations also performed in your MS Excel like addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, percent, and exponenting. Okay, and if you want to correct your mistake like this, so click on double, and left to right we click delete button, or right to left we click backspace button, so we can correct our mistakes. Okay, if you want to move your seats from right to left, so you can hold your seats and you can drag, and you can move your seats from here like that. Okay, otherwise right click on move or copy options. Okay, or you want to where you want to copy, select your seat and click on OK. Okay, when and if you want to close, open, or exit your workbook, so use these options from file menu, like open it, open recent, existing workbook, close it, close current your workbook, new, you can create new workbook from here, print, you can print on paper as a hard copy, and exit, you can exit from your programs. So we first uh, 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 save uh, our mm, workbook, save. Okay, now we take first home tab. Home tab, it consists of clipboard, format, copy, cut. As we can uh, learn in MS Word, font group, we can uh, type any text and select your cell, and you can change your font style, size, theme color, text color. You can bold, italic, underline your text. If you want to apply border, then apply your border at your text or a range of cell. Align, you can align top, left, judgment, bottom, center, bottom or right. Okay. Alignment, you can also uh, change your angle of your text like this. First we select it. Okay, it is counterclock, clock, vertical, text up, text down, or you can for click on format cell, and also you can change from here like number, alignment, you can align from here. Okay, font style, font color, font size, effects, border, you can fill from color here, and protection, you can lock or hide your okay workbook. So yeah, this is your, this is indentation. uh, as already we discussed about indentation in MS Word. It is used to margin for between the border and text in the cell, so you can decrease or increase your indentation from it. Wrap text, it is used to text typing, it shift automatically in next line when it's wrap. If we continually uh, typing in right side, so when you wrap your text, it automatically shift in your next within cell. Merge and center, it is used to centralize your text like this. So if you want to this text centralized in this range, so you can select it and you can select your range and merge and center from, and your text is centralized, you can see it. Okay. Number, this option is used to provide number formats which type you want to, like currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentile, fraction, scientific, extra. You can also click on this format cell option, and you can also format your option from this group. Okay, and this is option increase decimal or decrease decimal. It show the value to decimal places. Style, for this we can first type uh, table, and it is used for apply on it. So first we type a table, uh, and after typing we apply effects on it. Okay, so take example for it. when your text is mixed like that, so you can click on here and drag your cell. Okay, so first, okay, now first we select these cell range and centralize it. Okay, and apply border so it look like good. Okay, now you can increase your font size. You want to change color from here. Okay, if you want to bold it, okay, bold it. Okay, conditional formatting, format as table or cell style. These are the style of this, so you can conditionally format from here. Okay, like that. Okay, this is it. Show the greater than, as you can see, greater than. If you want to show less than, then click it. Okay, like that, between. So you can select this from this. Okay, so you can conditionally formatting from here. Top 10%, you can change data bar from here. Okay, color scales, you can change from data color scales from here. More, you want more rules, you click on more, you select from here. Okay, icon sets, which type of icon you want to use, you can select from here. Okay, if you want to format as a table, then you can select from here. Okay, and it's change in a table style, and you can also take another options for your table style, and you can select, and it also provide a filter, and you can select from which type of data you want to disappear. You can select it. Okay, Cell style, you can select cell style also. Okay, you can select single cell style from here also. Okay, change the cell style. Cell insert, delete format. If you want to insert cell, sheets row, sheets column, sheet dot new sheet, you can insert from here. Insert cell from shift cell right, cell down, entire row, enter. So you can shift cell down or shift cell right. Okay, so it insert a shift cell. If you insert sheet row, okay, so it inserting sheets row, sheets column, it inserts sheets column. Okay, you can see insert new sheets, it insert a new sheet like that. Okay, it insert sheets. Again we delete from here sheets. Okay, there are three sheets. Okay, three sheets you can insert from sheets, like this is sheets 8 because we are already insert sheet 7. Okay, format, you can format also cells, like you select any cell. Okay, select any cell, you can uh, uh, increase row height. Okay, it's increase row height. If you increase column width, okay, they increase column width also. Okay, and defaultly if there is a row and height is 12.75 points row height in MS Excel CL, and column width is defaultly 8.43 point. Okay, so when you start your MS Excel and you see this cell height and row is defaultly 12.75 row height and 8.43 column width. You can also format from here. You can hide, unhide row, column, hide entire sheet, unhide row, unhide column, and also unhide your sheets. You can protect your sheets. You can rename your sheets. If you want to rename your sheet from here, okay, so click on is a highlight, or you can rename your sheet. Okay, this is class 7 sheets. If you want to tab color, so you can change your tab color from here. This is now this is your tab color. If you want to change its tab color, so you can change your tab color from here. This is the change your tab color. You can also click on your right mouse click in sheet tab, and you can apply any format like tab color, move or copy, rename, Okay. Editing group. Editing group. It consists AutoSum, which is used formulas. Fill option. It is used for down, right, up, and left. Fill the cell. Clear. It is clear format. If you want to clear applied format from it, then you can clear format. Click and clear format. It is okay. Sort and filter. It is used for sorting, ascending or descending. Okay. Filter. If you want to use filter, then filter used to select your requirement, and you uncheck uh, which data you want to disappear and click OK, and this is disappear. Okay, and you can clear from here filter. Find and select. As we learned in MS Word, find, replace, go to options. Find, which is used to find your text or paragraph. Replace any text or letter you want to replace another text or letter. Go to, it is used to navigate the specific uh, place in documents next. So this is the your home tab in MS Excel. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.